Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Base44 project code. Now let's get started. First, log in to your Base44 account and open the project you want to export. Once inside your project, look at the top right corner of the screen, the three dots. Click on the dots. Inside the dots, find the Export section. If you are on the free plan, you'll see a message saying that exporting requires an upgrade. Click on Upgrade Plan. Choose the paid plan that includes code export access and complete the payment process. After upgrading, go back to your project. Again, go to the Export section. Now you will see the Export Code button enabled. Click on Export Code. You may have options such as Download as zip, Export to GitHub. Choose your preferred option. If you select Zip, Base44 will prepare your project files and download them to your computer. If you choose GitHub, connect your GitHub account and export the project directly to a repository. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to access your full source code. And that's it. That's how you export Base44 code using the latest interface. And remember, it requires upgrading to a paid plan. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated tutorials. Thanks for watching.